Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I would like to introduce my channel. Along with this, I would like to explain you the pattern of UPSC examination. Yes, this is my channel, IAS with me, and the caption of my channel is Let's Do It Together. Since I'm the UPSC aspirant and I want to become an IAS officer, I just want to share my knowledge and my notes, my preparation strategy, everything with you. That's the reason I named my channel as IAS with me, and I want you to do it along with me. So let's do it together. And thank you for being here. Let's move to the next one. So the main intention of this video is exam pattern for UPSC prelims. Now let's look at the first one. This is prelims. So we, as everyone knows, that UPSC conducts exams in three different stages: prelims, mains, and interview. Let's look at the details of the first UPSC prelims paper. So the first one is number of papers. The exam mode is offline. We have to go and visit the different centers allotted for us, and we have to write the exam there. And number of papers in this exam are two: general studies and CSAT paper. CSAT is nothing but civil service aptitude test. So that is CSAT paper. We have two papers. They are general studies paper and CSAT paper. And we are going to cover each and every topic in my videos. Number of questions are: paper 1 has 100 questions and paper 2 has 80 questions. Question paper type: multiple choice questions. This is MCQs. This is not descriptive. And IAS prelims total marks 400 marks. Nature of exam is qualifying. If you get qualifying marks, that is enough for you to get selected for writing mains exam. Now, exam duration. The duration for this particular exam is 2 hours each. So paper 1 has 2 hours and paper 2 also has 2 hours plus 20 minutes for blind students. And for the other blind students, they will be given extra 20 minutes also. So and when it comes to the language of this exam is, you have to write either in English and Hindi. So only two languages you are able to choose between English and Hindi. So if you are the person who is not very good at English, you can improve your language skills now itself. This is the time. Start learning and improving your vocabulary also. Learn how to write a sentence, how to read and understand the sentence, how to understand, because understanding a question is half done in UPSC. That is very important thing. If you do not understand the question, you will not be able to write the answer properly. Yes. Now let's move to the next one. Facts about prelims. Let's look at the different facts about prelims exam also. The prelims stage consists of two papers, as we already discussed: general ability test GAT and CSAT paper. CSAT is nothing but civil service aptitude test. All MCQ based objective type questions are asked. So they will ask everything in the MCQ pattern. They will give one question and for which four options will be provided. You have to pick the correct answer. Questions are set in both languages, Hindi and English. So every question paper will have the questions in both the language, English and Hindi. Now questions testing: English language comprehension skills are set in English only. So when it comes to testing your English communication and comprehensive skills, the questions will be given only in English but not in Hindi. Candidate have to score a minimum of 33% in the prelims to qualify for IAS mains. So the person who is attempting the prelims have to score 33% in the prelims. So out of 400 you are asked to score 33 percentage in the prelims. Each question in the general ability test weighs 2 marks, while each question in the CSAT paper weighs 2.5 marks. So when it comes to the general paper, that weighs 2 question, positive mark is for 2, and for CSAT it is 2.5. A penalty of 1 by 3 mark is deducted for every wrong answer in the form of negative marking. So I want you to note this point very clearly, that is, a penalty of 1 by 3 marks is deducted for every wrong answer in the form of negative marking. Means there is a negative marking and the deduction of marking is 1 by 3, which is nothing but 0.33. two answers marked for the same question is considered a wrong answer even if one of the answers is correct. So if you answer for logic, if you are thinking that both A and C, both answer is for sure lies between A and C. If you have 50-50, you have to mark only either A or C, but not both A and C. That will be the treated as the wrong answer. Even though one of the answer is correct, they will treat that as the wrong answer. No answer mark is not considered as an attempt, and hence no penalty is deducted. So if you have any doubt in answering the particular question, it's better if you leave that question. Otherwise, if you have 50-50 chances and if you have good elimination skills, you can work that. And if you have no idea about the question and answer, please don't pick anything, because that will remove your positive marks also. These are the important facts about prelims examination. Now let's look at the exam pattern for UPSC mains exam. There are two kinds of papers for mains. One is qualifying and merit. So the prelims is completely qualifying, and when it comes to mains, it has both qualifying and merit. It is compulsory to appear for both. Every aspirant should write, the person who had cleared prelims should appear for mains, and compulsory to appear for both. Rank is decided on the basis of merit. There are seven papers and merit. When it comes to the merit section, there are seven papers. They are, now let's look at this one, and I want you, each and every person, to make a note of it. Paper 1 has how many subjects, and paper 2, gs1, gs2, gs3, gs4, please make a notes out of it. What are the different subjects covered under gs1, 2, 3 and 4? Yes, now let's look at the paper 1, that is essay writing paper. Essay writing paper is for 250 marks. And when it comes to paper 2, general studies paper 1. General studies paper 1 has different subjects like Indian heritage and culture, history and geography of the world and society. So when it comes to the syllabus of GS1, Indian heritage and culture, history and geography of the world and society, three different subjects are covered in paper 1. When it comes to the general studies paper 2, governance, constitution, polity, social justice and international relationships. Governance, constitution, polity, social justice and international relations. These, like, the sub subjects are 5. When it comes to the GS3, technology, economic development, biodiversity, environment, security and disaster management. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, six subjects are covered. When it comes to paper 1, general studies 1, there are 4, general studies 2, 5, general studies 3, 6, general studies 4, the paper ethics, integrity and aptitude, and each and every paper is for 250 marks. So for GS 1, 2, 3, 4, all together they will be given for 1000 marks. And for optional paper, paper 1 and paper 2 is for 500 marks. So optional paper also plays a very key role. So you have to be very serious and pay attention while concentrating your optional subject, and please select your optional subject wisely and make sure that you like the subject or you involve in learning the subject. And the paper 1 is essay. Okay, now, so overall GS1 to GS4 has 1000 marks. Optional is for 500 marks. 1000 plus 500 is 1500, and the essay writing paper is for 250 marks. That is nothing but 1750. I hope you got clarity in the 1750 marks. And the third stage, once you get qualified and you are in the qualified list for interview, the next stage is interview. Third and final stage, personal interview. It is said that then your knowledge, both the knowledge is checked, or the knowledge test is conducted in prelims and mains. So when it comes to the interview, it is more based on your personality. So they will check your personality. Now, grand total for merit calculation is, if you add the interview marks along with the 1750 marks, 2025 marks is for the based on your marks obtained for 2025 marks, your rank will be decided, and that will say whether you are on the list or out of the list. Now, facts about mains. Now, let's look at some facts about the mains exam. UPSC mains is an offline exam conducted on pen and paper. So, you are supposed to write the exam in the offline mode. You have to write this in a descriptive way. Now, each paper carried 250 marks as we already discussed. Each paper is 3 hours long with handicapped students get in an extra 30 minutes. So those who are handicapped will get extra 30 minutes and for others no will get only 3 hours. The exam consists of a total 9 papers. Yes, the GS 1, 2, 3, 4 has 4 papers and ethics paper is one and optional papers are two and the comprehension papers are two. So in total we are going to write 9 papers. All questions are subjective and descriptive, nothing but you have to write answer writing. The subjects are judged on the basis of opinion, content, understanding the problem, situation. So this is very important. The students are judged on the basis of opinion. What opinion you have on this issue and what content you gained in regarding this issue. What understanding you have about this problem or this situation. Offering feasible solutions. How well you are good at solving the problems and strategies. Presentation, the way you are presenting your paper, the way you are using your language, the way you have the intellectual skills and knowledge on the given topic. So it is very clearly said that better is best, average is best in UPSC. I will explain you this in any other video. Questions are set in both Hindi and English. Total marks is 1750. The main papers are divided into two, qualifying and merit. So yes, qualifying UPSC mains paper or candidates will have to score a minimum percentage in the qualifying exam. Let's look at this qualifying exam. Paper A, any one of the Indian language of the candidate's choice to be selected from the ones including in the 8th schedule of the constitution, 300 marks. For 300 marks, you can select any of the Indian language. Of course, if you want, you can select English language also or your mother tongue like Telugu, Kannada and Tamil, some other thing. Indian languages and the paper B is for English, compulsory English paper for each and every aspirant. Merit UPSC mains papers. Candidates are tested on the basis of their intellect, personal discretion and interpersonal skills. Essay type questions are used to understand the scope of the candidate's knowledge and understanding of concept. So essay questions also we are writing essay paper for 250 marks. Test the strength of candidates Indian language. Of course, they are selecting your skill and intellectual skills on a particular Indian language. An optional subject is selected from the list provided for which the candidate is to appear. So when it comes to the selection of the optional subject, candidate has to select that paper on his own. Yes, and this is for today. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned to my channel. For I'm going to tell you one more thing in this video itself. I will be making every video of each and every topic which is important for UPSC preparation, like different subjects covered for GS 1 to 4. Let me tell you clearly, like polity, governance, international relationships, art and culture, and everything. At the same time, I will also cover few basic English grammar topics like parts of speech, importance or different types of nouns, different types of verb, different types of pronouns, adverb, different types of pronouns, and active voice, passive voice, how to write a tense, how to frame a sentence, and how to improve our vocabulary. I will be discussing these issues also, and slowly I will start discussing about the answer writing skills, how to improve our answer writing skills. Let's work it together and let's do it and let's make our names into the list. Thank you for watching and please do like, share and subscribe. All the best, guys.